Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. So if you have set two-factor authentication and you want to log in your Instagram account and it's not working for you, or you don't receive a code, then I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to close this page and you have to make sure that you have entered correct phone number or correct email address. And then second thing is, if you want to get a confirmation code, then you have to make sure that you have data connection or you have Wi-Fi connection, stable Wi-Fi connection. So first of all, you have to go to your phone settings and then go for Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure that you have strong connection. And after that, what you need to do is just simply go to Instagram. From settings, you have to go for this apps, go for manage apps, and in the search bar just search for Instagram, and you just simply have to clear the cache and then just go back and go in the permissions, and you just have to make sure that you have give all the permissions, allow all the permissions like this, like contacts, microphone, storage, and all the permissions to Instagram app. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If you still not receive the code, what you need to do is simply you have to wait some hours, because Instagram a source is done, that's why you are not seeing the code. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.